We moved back outside once again. It's cold and we had just a quick blast of snow today.
You know, a big bowl of soup sounds perfect for dinner on a night like this.
Oh yeah, I mean maybe 1, 2, 12 nights in a row. I mean sometimes you just gotta go for it.
Right?
But
all
yeah.
in.
Yeah, we've got really good soup weather out there. You can see to the southeast that snow shower activity continues to move through, again with how dry it is down near the surface. It's eating away at a lot of that before it makes its way down, so don't be surprised if you see some flakes, but I'd be surprised if any accumulation actually came out of this. So this is kind of the first wave. We'll have more that's going to work its way in from Minnesota as we head into tonight and through much of the day tomorrow. That first band continues to shift out of here, and you can see as we head into the evening, we'll bring in more widespread chances for snow showers, and it's going to be kind of hit or miss in spots. So we're not all going to be seeing the snow, but if you do, along with the wind, that'll help to blow it around a little bit and could briefly limit visibilities in spots. Temperature-wise, another mild one, 35 degrees is where we'll be sitting. And we head throughout Saturday. It could linger some of those snow showers early on, but the true cold really starts to set in on Saturday. We're waking up to wind chills in the single digits to teens below zero, and your high temperature for the day only comes in at 11 degrees. And we head in towards Sunday, and you can see some more lingering snow showers, especially for the northeastern portion of the state. So there is a chance again at some brief snow, but still not looking at much, if any, as far as accumulation is concerned. You can see through Saturday, at least for the snowfall, the light areas in blue here, that's an inch or less. Could we see a pocket or two slightly more than that? Sure, but especially with how windy it's going to be, it may be hard to actually measure that snow as it kind of blows and drifts its way around. Had the chance to head out to May Goodrell Middle School today. I was talking weather with the 6th graders out there, and let me tell you, they always ask the best of questions. I really appreciate you guys having me out. One girl tried to convince me there were fishes in the clouds. I don't know where it came from, but maybe they're invisible. We look at your weekend planner, and temperature-wise, it's looking cold. 11 on Saturday. Again, wind chills below zero all day long. It's going to be a cold one out there for your Saturday. We do bounce back up as we head into Sunday, though, with temperatures in the low 30s. You look at the forecast for tomorrow, those temperatures are going to be tapering back pretty much all day. We've got middle 30s in the morning, and then by the afternoon, we head back down into the 20s by 4 p.m. as we bring in that chance for fairly widespread snow shower activity. Your feels like temperatures, it's going to get pretty gross up in here. You head through Saturday morning, single digits to low teens below. Sunday's not bad. We're sitting in the single digits below, but then Monday comes along and you're not going to want to get in your car and go to work. I can tell you that right now. Mid-20s below to the north, low to mid-teens across much of the rest of the state. So true bundle-up territory as we kick off your work week. And we do warm from there. Your high on Monday is only 16, but a quick jump back above freezing on Tuesday should help. And we'll hang out there through Thursday. Tons of sunshine next week as we hang out in the 30s for most of it.